It's been a long time. I think it's a very long time since both of you have started your first biotech. What are those experiences like? Are there any key lessons you have learned from that first launch? And do they still apply today, considering the market, the landscape and everything have changed as so much in the last 15 years? So how do you see that? And what are the biggest lessons from the first launch of the biotech?
I can go first. I think one key lesson when you're founding a biotech company is to be clear about your personal goals and what you're there to do. And by personal goals, I mean, obviously business goals. What are you trying to achieve? A clear vision is vital. And I don't think that's different now than it ever was before. They take a lot of time and energy, more than you can imagine. And so you want to be sure that you're in the bullseye of what you want to be doing. My career path from the very beginning, as I described before, was really focused on bringing innovative, first and best-in-class cancer drugs to the clinic and to approvals in companies both large and small. So while I really only built one company, I'm in my fourth year. I built immuno-oncology departments. I've initiated novel organizations from the very beginning. I'm in my 30th year, and I think the goals of all of those overlap substantially. The second lesson, which I think is also very important then as now, is the people on your team. At any company, you want to be surrounded by great people. This is magnified in biotech companies where the key members of your team are absolutely the essential ingredients for your success. My choice all along from the very beginning was to try to bring in as many people who know what they're doing as possible, although there's plenty of room for bright, fabulous folk who have the right approaches to building novel things, but be very careful and thoughtful about who you put on your team. And that's where networking is important, and I'm sure we'll get to that later.